ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬಹುಮಾನ ವಿತರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವಿನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು.
Education is the key to success in life, and teachers make a lasting impact in the lives of their students. On 5th September 2023, we celebrated Teachers' Day in our school, and some competitions were conducted, and all the teachers participated and won the games. Now it is time to give prizes to our knowledgeable, energetic, hardworking, dedicated, and caring teachers.
ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ನಡೆದ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜೇತರಾದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಿರಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇಟಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪವಿತ್ರ HM ಮೇಡಮ್.
Good evening, everyone.
A warm and graceful welcome to one and all present here.
Winning doesn't always mean being the best. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before.
ಗೆದ್ದವರನ್ನ ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಡ, ಕೇವಲ ಗೆಲುವನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಸೋತು ಗೆದ್ದವರನ್ನ ಕೇಳು, ಹೇಗೆ ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
On the occasion of Teachers' Day celebration, Sadhana children had conducted sports and fun events for teachers. It was a joy-filled day for teachers who enthusiastically participated in all events and bagged many places and prizes. It gives us immense pleasure to congratulate and announce those winners here on the stage. And now I request our chief guest and dignitaries to felicitate our winners. Now I would like to request Chandrasekhar sir, President of Pujars Education Foundation, to felicitate the winners. The first place in gunny bag race, backward running and single leg running. All these events, the first place goes to Rafiq Rati, Physical Director of Sadhana English Medium School. Rafiq sir. And second, Prakash KS. Prakash KS, gunny bag race, second place, single leg running, second place. Prakash KS, gunny bag race, second place, and single leg running, second place. Shahnaz Nadab. Prakash KS, second place in gunny bag race and single leg running. Sri Prakash KS, Physical Director, Sadhana English Medium School. Shahnaz Nadab again once again, gunny bag race, second place, musical chair, first place. Pavitra HM, backward running race, first place, single leg running place, first place. Pavitra HM. Lingaraj Badger, backward running, second place. Lingaraj Badger sir. Ganga BS, gunny bag race, first place. Ganga BS, gunny bag race, first place.
ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಾಧನಾ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ. ಸಾಧಕರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸಾಧನಾ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ.
Now I request Mr. Ajay V. Pujar sir, Pujar Education Foundation to distribute the rewards and certificate. And the next one, Basama Ivy, backward running second place. Please come on the stage. Claps. Savitri C, single leg running second place.
Please come first, ma'am.
Please come first, ma'am.
Savitri C, single leg running, second place. Nagappa M, sir.
Next one is Nagappa M, musical chair, first place.
Sheila L, musical chair, second place.
Sheila L.
now-
Sheila L.
Nagappa M, sir, musical chair, first place.
And the next one is Sheila L, musical chair, second place. And Basuraj SS, musical chair, second place.
Basavaraj SS, musical chair, second place. Guddappa.
And the next Guddappa A, balloon saving, first place. And the next one, Manjunath Badagir, balloon saving, second place.
Now it is time to announce group events. The first group event winners. First one, cricket. The winner is Sadhana Super Kings. The captain Shankar Gaud sir, Veeresh, Prakash KB, Prashant Gaud, Guddappa A, Basavaraj S, Chetan B, Shivakumar sir, Shrikant sir, Prabhakar, Lingaraj B. I request all these players, all these teachers, please receive the reward. First place, cricket, Sadhana Super Kings. Huge applause for them.
Claps for Sadhana Super Kings.
Sadhana Super Kings cricket team. We heartily congratulate the Sadhana Super Kings team.
Strong cricket team won the first prize. Thank you for. And now I like to call the RP staff, family gangster, the first place. First I call to Shivkumar sir, Gayatri ma'am, Guddappa sir, Veeresh sir, Aishwarya ma'am, Shankar Gowda sir and Mrutyunjay sir. Please come on the stage.
They are the first place winners of the Family Gangster event.
Please come on the stage, sir.
Shivakumar sir, Gayatri ma'am,
Mrutyunjay
Guddappa,
sir.
Veeresh, our beloved principal sir, Mrutyunjay sir, Shankar Gaud sir, and Aishwarya ma'am. Next, fifth wing teachers, be ready. Fifth wing teachers.
Fifth wing teachers. The next event is group dance. Fifth wing teachers are won the first prize. Please come on the stage. Shabir sir, Shashidhar sir, Shrikanta sir, Nagappa sir, Basuraj SS sir and Nagaratna ma'am. Please come on the stage.
They have won the first place in group dance. Fifth wing teacher, Shabir sir. Shashidhar sir. Shrikant sir. Group dance first place goes to fifth wing. We heartily congratulate the fifth wing teachers.
Please come on the stage.
Nagappa sir. Next, fourth wing teachers, be ready. Fourth wing teachers.
Fourth wing teachers. Fourth wing teachers. Family gangster. Second prize go to the fourth wing. Prashant Gowda sir, Mubarak sir, Chetan B, Manjunath B, Ranjita ma'am and Bhavya ma'am. Please come on the stage.
They have got second place in family gangster event and second place in group dance. Fourth wing teachers, Mubarak
Fourth
sir,
wing teachers got second prize in two
Ranjita ma'am,
events. Group
and Bhavya
dance
ma'am.
and always a family gangster.
And the same wing got again second place in group dance. Again second place in group dance.
Claps for fourth wing.
The same wing got second place in group dance.
As well as family gangster also.
We heartily congratulate from our Sadhana family all the teachers. And I am very much thankful to all the dignitaries who felicitated this event. Thank you and thank you one and all.
Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಗಣ್ಯಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ಕಿರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Today we honor your achievements and applaud your efforts. May this felicitation ceremony serve as a catalyst for even greater success in the future. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of our Sadhana students who have earned awards and recognition for their hard work and dedication.
ಬದುಕು ಬೊಗಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿಟ್ಟ ನೀರಿನಂತೆ ಬಸಿದು ಹೋಗುವ ಮುನ್ನ ವ್ಯರ್ಥವಾಗದಂತೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಬಳಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದ ಅಂಶ, ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಬಿತ್ತುತ್ತವೆಯೋ ಅದು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ, ಬೆಳೆದು ಹೆಮ್ಮರವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಬೆಳೆದು ಅದು ಫಸಲನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ SSLCವರೆಗೂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. SSLC 2019-20 ಸಾಲಿನ ಸಾಧಕರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಬೀರ್ ಡಿ ಸರ್. ಎರಡು 2019-20 ಸಾಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧಕರು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಧನಾ ಸಾಧಕರು 2019-20 ಸಾಲಿನ CBSE ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸಾಧನಾ ಸಾಧಕರು 2019-20 ಸಾಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಲಕರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸನದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಆಸನದ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು ಅಥವಾ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಂಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ತಮಗಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾಲಕರು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಕಾತರದಿಂದ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಬಲಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, those who got SSLC marks card in the year 2019 and 20, all of you are requested to come to the right side of the dais. Please. Time is very short. We have to start the cultural program as early as possible. I request all the students to come to the right side of the dais. ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. 2019-20 ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ SSLC ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗ ಬರಬೇಕು. ವೇಳೆ ಅಭಾವ ಇದೆ. ಪಾಲಕರೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. 2019 ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಹೊರಗೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ ಬೇಗ.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and dear students, welcome to all. Today, auspicious event, I am here to present felicitation speech on behalf of our Honorable School President, Sri Chandrasekhar D. Poojar, sir, and Secretary of the Sadhana School, Ajay B. Poojar, sir, Administrative, sir, and principal sir, and all the dignitaries, all the staff members, and everyone at the Sadhana Public School. So old is gold. The student life is the gold life here. So in the same manner, the black color is sentimentally bad, but the blackboard is makes the student's life is better and bright. So our school students has got a top position in the annual exam conducted at the state level and the central level. Their hard work and dedication to their studies has brought them here to be felicitated. So I would like to call those who are studied in the year 2019-20. So these students are sadhana achievers. These come on the stage, state level students: Deepak Kumar, Divya Shri, Chaitra, Bhavana R, Kavya Bagali, Manjunath, Tejashwini, Pushpalata, Nandish, Poojar, Rachana, Meghana, Shambhu, Nandish, Dinesh, Supriya on the stage, please. Those who are coming this stage, there no, please come on the stage. All the state students, come on the stage. Dinesh, Supriya, Nitin Loknath, Poojar, Diksha MK, Neela, Karthik, Yogesh, Banimati, Itgi Ravi, Asha B. Patil, Vidya Ashok, Nitin Govindagowda Patil, Sinchana, Nandita Madiwal, HM Vinay, Suma Patil, Nikita BG, B. Yasmin B. Pradeep, SM Sangeeta, S. Satish, Vinay Bankar, Chandana Madiwal, Prajwal SR, MM Purnima. Please come on the stage. Abhishek, Nagraj, Guru Basaya, Sharan Kumar, Bhavana ES, Mahesh Mallappa, Sahana, Shekhappa Guttal, Raju Gowda, Rakesh MH, Sindhu, Lata Gowda, Shankar, Darshan Ashok, Bankar, Sudeep, Talwar Mailar, Ranjita, Prasanna Poojar, Muhammad Maz, Sonu AS, Priyanka BS, Jilan Basha. please come on the stage. All the students here, once again. Okay, 2019. Those who are studied in the year of 2019 and 20. So CBSE students, please come on the stage. Sevantika, Revan Siddesh Patil, Gayatri Mallappa, Chetan Kumar, Chandu Rathod, Sohan K, Raksha S, Bhavana Haveri. Please come on the stage. So these students are facilitated our management. So I request to please come on the stage, dear students. So I invite our school presidents of Sadhana School, Sri Chandrasekhar D. Pujar sir and Ajay sir and all the dignitaries. Please present the awards on the movements, all the students here. Please awards the movements, dear students. So those who are studied in the year of 2019-20, please, dear students, come on the stage. So right side, those who are standing here, there now, please come on the stage. Please, felicitation of all the old students, pharma students. Please come on the stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So now, I would like to request Sevantika, please come on the stage. Please share your opinions, the old memories. Please, Sevantika, come on the stage. Please share your opinions about school, campus, and your
Good evening, one and all present who are here. It's an honor to me to stand here and offer a felicitation speech. My journey in this school is just about 2 years, but in that 2 years, I have learned many things. I express my gratitude to all my teachers for supporting me and also for providing their knowledge. And I thank the principal, the secretary, and the president of Pujar Education Foundation for providing the good facilities and for supporting us in every moment. And though we are not here since from 4 years, still they remember us and they invited us. I'm really thankful for that and I'm really happy for that. And I congratulations to all my friends for earning this prize. Thank you one and all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Sevantika. And one more student in the year of 1920, the state students, Nagveni. Nagveni, please come on the stage, share your opinions.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ ನಾನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಾಧನಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ನ ಕಲಿತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನೀಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ನಾನು ಸಾಧನಾ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೇನು ಭರವಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Nagvani. Thank you very much to giving this opportunity for me. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all who have been felicitated.
ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದ ಗಣ್ಯಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಹಾಗೂ ಸನ್ಮಾನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧಕರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈಗ SSLC 2020-21ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಸಾಧಕರನ್ನ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯಮಾನ್ಯರು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ ಗೌಡ ಸರ್.
A very fabulous evening to ladies and gentlemen and dignitaries on the dais. This ceremony is a recognition of the students' talents, determination, and the unwavering commitment. We congratulate on this, the magnificent achievement. May this felicitation ceremony be a symbol of endless possibilities that light on you. So I would like to call the 2020-21 CBSE batch students. Because of that, they wanted to make us to become a magnificent achievement in the examination. So that I would like to call Tulsi B 94.60%. I would like to call Tulsi. I would like to call Tulsi Diksha H 94.40. I would like to call Diksha. Please come on the stage. Chetana Y 92.0%. Chaitra G 90%. Niharika 90%. I would like to call Niharika. Please come on the stage. Rakshita SB 90%. Jeevita M 88%. Preeti Y 88%. Muskan N 86.40%. N Sampath 85.4%. Pratibha SK 85.40%. Sushma BM 85.40%. Sushmita A 84.20%. Vishwa H 84.20%. Anusha P 83.
KA 25 8260 ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಬುಲೆರೋ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಬುಲೆರೋ KA 25 8260 ಮಹೇಂದ್ರ ಬುಲೆರೋ ಗಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ.
Sorry for disturbance. Anusha B 83%. Sujala PJ 82.60%. Vaishnavi VS 82.40%. Kavana M 81.80%. Srilata AG 79.40%. I would like to request the dignitaries, the president and secretary of our institutions, please be facilitated the students, those who have been achieved in the 10th CBSE board examination 2020-21. I would like to request all the dignitaries on the dais, please honor the students with presenting the mementos. And also I would like to request the parents, students, those who have been to be gathered here to big round of applause of their magnificent achievements. Thank you, all the dignitaries and the students, those who have been to be facilitated on this stage. Now I would like us to call Mega CH 78.40%, Nandita H 77.40%, Vaishnavi E 75.80%, Pramod HN 75.20%, Sujala PJ, Sujal E Vishnu 72.40%.